Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm using my new UV Light Advanced. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a beautiful gift. Pens. Yep. We're going to make pens today. Well, we're going to make one pen. And I'm using crushed glass in this one. And UV resin. And we're going to make this in a matter of minutes. You're going to see how easy it is to do. Now, this is one of the ways that I did it. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. So sit back. Relax, pay attention to what I'm doing here, and let's get on with the show. good. Oh, and that looks beautiful. Can you check that out? Look how pretty that looks. I love it. I love it. And look how fast we did that with some UV resin. Gorgeous. And I leave the tip on because I want whoever I'm giving it to, I don't want them to think it's a used pen. But I love the way this came out. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. And I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different pens that I made using the same process. Stay tuned, here they come. Now, how beautiful is that? Green and blue. I even made a little holder to put those pens in. Just love how easy it is to do them. I made so many. Look how pretty. I did some gold, and I think the green is my favorite. Some champagne, and some, I used mermaid and some. Just so pretty. So now you can see how easy that is to do. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Such easy Christmas gifts. I hope you'll give it a try. Please subscribe if you're not, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye-bye now. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna.